Hi everyone, I'm Ellen. Welcome to Keeping Sisters Creative.
And I'm Maria, and if you've been here before, welcome back.
We have a really fun set of crafts to show you today with a coastal theme. And this is part 2. Part 1 is going to be linked below if you haven't already seen it.
So the first craft we're going to show you today is the Seaside Candle theme. It was really fun to put together, and there's a bunch of details. So I used the Jenga blocks, and I wanted them a different color, so I mixed nutmeg and burnt auburn together in water, just to dilute it a little bit.
And what it does is it gives it a really neat weathered look. I like it.
It went really well with the whole beach thing, huh?
Oh, I think so.
And I really like the way that mixture comes out when it's dry. So I got a piece of paper and I put the same mixture on there, and as it's still wet, I got a skewer and I just wrapped it up so when it dried, it stayed that circular shape for our little message in the bottle.
That is such a cute idea.
So all the products that you see for all of these crafts you can get at the Dollar Tree. So these candles come in a set of 2. And a little tidbit is when you're putting this together, make sure that you keep the candle inside, because I didn't, and it was a little hard to get the candle in when it was all done. But as long as you keep the candle in, it will work perfectly.
Reminds me of a palette that you would use at a bonfire.
It does. But what's really cool is when this candle's lit, you can see that light coming through. That's what's so cool about this candle holder.
Oh, I love it.
So like I was saying before, make sure that when you're putting this together, that you wrap it, you do it around the candle so you have enough room to get it in and out when you want to change it. And so then I just got these little oval plaques from the Dollar Tree and glued it on the bottom. We talked about making like a little fence with the jute twine and the little message in the bottom. And then I just got the Mod Podge and put it on the bottom again and just covered it with sand. So it was really giving it that whole beach look.
Yeah, even as it's coming together, it looks like the beach.
It's fun to watch crafts like that, isn't it? Watching them come together.
Yeah, seeing where it started and then the process is really fun.
Yeah. And I'm really glad that Dollar Tree does sell Mod Podge, because I use a lot of it.
Yeah, that and their Jenga blocks. Wow.
Yeah, I know. But you can make so many cute things out of it, though.
It's a lot of fun.
So I did use the Mod Podge to glue the bottle down, but I wanted it a little more secure, so I ended up using the glue gun for the top of it to make it more secure. Then I wanted to finish it off with the nautical rope, not only so the stand stays in there, but it gave it a really cool look. And I ended up just wrapping it around twice.
It does give it a good look, a real finished look. This would go anywhere. Anyone's bathroom colors, when you think about it.
Or just in your house.
Right.
Yeah. But because we were doing the whole coastal theme for my bathroom, this worked perfectly. And then you just embellish it however you want. I got these driftwood, just tied them together. And then as you can see, I have some shells and some sea glass. It was really cute. It's really cute.
I love how the sea glass just adds just enough color.
It does.
But still really very authentic looking. Those are the colors you'd find in the ocean.
And there it is.
Aww. It looks so good.
It does. And there it's lit. It just the with the candle inside of it, it's a really cool effect.
I love it. You could see that. See how it glows through it. It's so pretty. Our next craft, which is so fun, our Nautical Basket. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Make sure you ring the bell so you know of the next video that's uploaded. And give us a thumbs up and share. We love it. So for this next craft, the oval piece of wood is used. A stain to be able to help give this wood some pretty fun color. When it's, to the point where you feel it's a good shade, you can go ahead and use a paper towel or rag to smooth it out. And what that'll do is be able to bring out a lot of the grain.
That's a really pretty color.
Yeah, it is. It has a richness to it. I really love it. There's different types of nautical rope. In this one, there's going to be two used. The softer white and then one that's a little bit coarser. And since it does come wrapped up together, the cutting it loose creates a little frayed edge. So using some tape to bind it up will help keep it all together.
Yeah, it does really get loose when you cut it.
Now wrapping it all the way around is going to help to create the basket. And so the first two layers are going to be the white nautical rope. This is a similar basket just like we had in the previous video, which is the please wash your hands sign is sitting in a basket much like this.
Right.
The next layer, if you want to think of it that way, is going to be with the coarser rope. Follow the same line as the white all the way around.
Or if you want to use just all white, you can do that too. This is your project. We're just showing you how we did it.
That's true. You just make it your own. That's really part of the main fun, is putting your own personality and into whatever you're making. And then the bottom part is finished off with the stain as well. And then decorating it with a really pretty starfish and just using the glue and glue it to the front. The glass jars that are used, they're fun for your Q-tips, your makeup sponges, things like that. Makes it really pretty for your bathroom with a little sprig of green. That is so cute.
It did come out cute. And I like how they just all go together.
They do.
And so for our last craft of today, we have this Seashell towel holder. Oh, jeez, that's a mouthful. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
And the thing that's so cool about this is you get the basket from the Dollar Tree, but you can put anything you want on it. I mean, I just glued on some nautical rope and just tied it on there, but it gave it a real different look instead of just having it plain. You can do this for all different seasons, which I plan to do.
That's really cool that you can take it off and put something else on and it changes the look.
It does change the look.
This is so cute. I love the shape of that shell.
Yeah, I got these shells at Walmart. There was a big package of them, and I thought, I can so use these for a lot of things.
Oh, cool.
This one was really, really easy.
It's fun to run across things that it's like, wow, it's not too tough to do, and look what a change it makes in this room.
Everything really matched together, and I really love the color of that soap.
It's so pretty.
That video will be linked down below if you guys are interested in watching that one. We're so glad that you decided to stick around and watch our video with us, and hopefully got some great ideas.
We really appreciate you watching, and we hope you all just have a really great day. And don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell.
Till next time.
Bye.